never forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Dat Me Said TV. We are back with another house hunting video, and this video is at the request of one of our viewers who reached out to us and asked us if we could focus on a development within the parish of St Thomas. So we researched, we had a look around, and we found a development coming to St Thomas called the Sun Coast Beach Club. Now guys, this development is in the very beginning stages, okay? So I do believe they've literally just broken ground on the site. So they are currently working at clearing the land, getting it ready to be developed. But guys, I will be showing you some pictures of what the development will look like once it's done. We did drive up to St Thomas to see what we could find. And so what we will show you coming up soon is what is actually there. I do believe that if you are interested in these developments, you are able to make an appointment to go and have a look at the grounds as they currently are. Remember, there is no model unit, there are no units built, but you can book an appointment to have a look at the grounds. What I will say guys is that the views from this development are amazing, as you'll see coming up soon. So the Sun Coast Beach Club is located in 12 miles in the parish of St Thomas. It's situated along the Kingston to St Thomas Highway, and it's only 25 minutes drive from New Kingston. This development, when completed, will consist of apartments, townhouses and bungalows. There will be 400 homes in total, so it's quite a big development. Okay, some information on the apartments. The apartments are going to be 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom with over 1,700 square foot. There will be a multi-level presidential penthouse, which will be a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom with a square footage of 2,700. The townhouses will be 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 13,000 square foot. There are 2 floor plans for the townhouses, so you can choose whether you would like to have your kitchen at the front of the house or the kitchen to the back of the house. So that's really good that you get to choose. What's great with the townhouses as well is that there will be an expansion plan. So likely you'll be able to build at the back of your house to extend the property to the back of the house. There will also be, which I haven't mentioned, duplexes. So there will be duplexes which will be 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, and they will be approximately 1,300 square feet. And finally, there will be bungalows. These will be 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathroom, multi-level bungalows, and they will be approximately 2,000 square feet. So phase 1, which will be the very first phase they'll be working on once construction takes place, will consist of 100 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom townhouses and 34 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom duplexes. So the townhouses and duplexes will be the first to be built. They will then move on to building the bungalows and the apartments in phase 2. So guys, like I said at the beginning of this video, we actually took a drive to the site, and we drove through Kingston, through Harbour View, and up to 11 miles in St Thomas. So guys, here is just a video of our drive to St Thomas, just to show you the scenery, show you what the area looks like. It is beautiful. The sea views up there are absolutely breathtaking. So coming up on the left hand side, where you can see that cream wall, is the site of where this development will be built. So this site used to be Sun Coast Adventure Park. It's now going to be the Sun Coast Beach Club development. And as you can also see there, guys, to the left, up that steep hill is where I guess the lorries and the trucks will be taking all of the materials to start the construction work. Okay, now guys, the images that you're going to see now have been taken from South Coast Beach Club page. And these are some of the views from behind the development. So behind the site, these are some of the breathtaking views of the sea. Okay guys, so here we have the apartments. So there is no computer image for the apartments as yet, as I do believe they're going to be built in phase 2. But this is just a sketch of what the apartments will look like. Then followed by the bungalow. Guys, there are no prices for these units yet, okay? So prices have not been disclosed for any of the units as of yet, okay? But guys, as soon as we find out, of course, we will let you know. There are some of the plans coming up as well. We have the townhomes, as you can see, and the top of the townhomes, and the plans there. also have the duplexes. Okay guys, so these are some of the interior designs being considered for these units. So we just wanted to give you an idea of what the inside may look like, okay? If you are interested in any of these units that you've seen today, then please do get in contact. The information is on the screen. There is a number to call and an email address. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Until next time, dat me say.
This one has got to be now, 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 now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.